So I was taking a scroll through the channel and I realized it's been pretty much all cryptocurrency lately. I haven't really touched on some of the stocks that I'm currently interested in and thinking about buying or are currently adding into. So I thought it would be a great opportunity to bring you guys 3 of my favorite stocks that I am looking at right now for the month of September. And make sure you stick around till the end of the video where I'll go over a bonus stock that I've included for you guys today as well. So if you're looking forward to me going through these picks today, make sure you take a second to scroll down, drop a like on this video. It really does help out the channel and push it out to more people so we can continue growing this community. So the first stock that we have up today is a stock called LMND. Now it's one that I've briefly touched on before, but I thought it was a great opportunity to bring up again as I'm looking to get an entry back into this stock myself. If you haven't heard of LMND before, essentially they are an insurance provider that is currently disrupting the insurance space by offering some very competitive rates, but also making it very quick and easy to do online. They also have a lot of machine learning algorithms in the background that allow them to provide a better quote for a lot of people than they're getting elsewhere. The reason that I've brought them into this video today is because I'm currently looking to get an entry into the stock as they're coming out with their car insurance very soon. And I think that this will be an amazing product for them. I think will do very well. Car insurance, obviously one of the biggest money makers in the insurance market. So without a doubt could be very lucrative for LMND. The ticker for LMND is LMND and is currently trading at $76 right now. My price target for LMND over the next 12 months is to see it hit at least that $100 mark. So at current prices, you're looking at about a 30% gain there. As I said, it's currently trading about that $76 mark and I'll start my position at this point, but I'll also be looking to buy a little bit more heavy if I see it hit around that $70 to $72 range. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have picked up any LMND and what was your initial cost price. Okay, next up we've got a very interesting one, and this one is Affirm. So if you haven't heard of these, essentially they're one of them buy now, pay later services, and they've just recently partnered up with Amazon. This video is recorded pre-market on Monday the 30th of August, and the current stock price is $67, but the pre-market for today has shot up a lot, and that is obviously based on this Amazon partnership news. And the pre-market price for this stock currently is $93.70. That is a 38% gain based off Friday's closing price for this stock. So my plan with this one is a little bit different. I won't be buying in straight away. I currently don't own any of this stock. A little bit late to the party on this one, but I still think it has some good momentum if I can get in at a good price. So with that being said, I'm hoping to let this stock cool off to about the $70 to $80 range. It's previously had some support around that $70 range, so if it doesn't manage to hit back there, I think I'll start to buy in quite heavily on this one. And I do say quite heavily, but of course I'll keep it at quite a low weighting in my portfolio. Definitely nothing over 5% in my portfolio on this one. It's definitely more of a risky play. Now there is a chance of course that it does not drop back to the $70 to $80 range within the near future, and if that is the case, I'm happy to sit back and leave this one. There's plenty more opportunities in the market, but I do think if it goes around to that range, I'd be happy to buy in because I do have a price target for this one of around $140. Just back in February 2021, it was actually trading at about $140, so I could definitely see it coming back to them prices, especially with this big boost of them partnering with Amazon. So again, my quick strategy on that is to hold off for right now, wait until this pre-market settles and we'll see what it opens at, maybe in the next couple of days, see if there is a pullback, and then if it goes around that $80 range, maybe start my position, and if it drops down to maybe the $70 or $72 range, add a little bit more heavily on that one. Okay, so next up we have one of the favorites on the channel here, the DraftKings Stock. If you haven't heard of DraftKings before, essentially they are an online sports betting company in the US. The company has gained a lot of momentum over the last year or so as more states start to adopt sports betting and become to legalize it in their states. DraftKings is currently one of the leaders, and I think as more market share opens up as these states begin to legalize sports betting, I think they can definitely capitalize on some of that market share. The DraftKings stock is actually up 33% year to date. We've seen it hit all-time highs of about $70, then all the way down to about the $40 range again, and now it's currently trading at about $60. So for me, my 12-month price target on this one is $80 on the low end and $100 on the high end. So even if we look at the $80 price target, that is leaving us with a 33% upside based off the current stock price. So guys, those are the 3 stocks that I'll be looking at for the month of September 2021. And as I said, I've outlined some of my entry prices or entry price targets where I hope to get in on some of these stocks. As I said, if you stuck around till near the end of the video, I would talk about a bonus stock, and that one, it may come as a surprise to some of you, it may not to others, but that one is Tesla. Of course, everybody knows Tesla by this stage. Many people think it's too late to start investing in Tesla, but for me, anytime I can add more Tesla to my portfolio is a great day for me because I do think even at the current prices, it still has a lot of upside to go. It's currently trading at about $711 right now, and I definitely see this in the next year hitting over that $1,000 mark. Especially with the AI day that Tesla ran recently, it gave me a lot of confidence in the company, and I'm really blown away by the rate of innovation that company has. I feel like they'll just never stop innovating. So if you've seen this channel before, you know Tesla is quite a big weighting in my portfolio. I believe it's around the 68 or even 70% range right now, and as I said, I'm happy to continue to add more Tesla whenever I get an opportunity. I'll continue to dollar cost average into this stock throughout the next month, but if I do see it hit around the $680 range, anywhere under 700, I may start to buy in a little bit more heavy on that one. Anyway guys, hopefully you did enjoy this video. That wraps it up for my top 3 stocks to buy in September 2021. If you did enjoy it, let me know in the comment section below, and let me also know any stocks that you guys are keeping an eye on, have on your watch list for September. As I said, if you haven't already, if you could take a second to drop a like on this video, it really does help out the channel. And if you're new around here and you enjoy the content, make sure you do subscribe as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video.